So, the clock, this is something I originally applied to a lot of my b-boy students, or breaking students, but I realized it has an application for all dances. The idea of the clock is changing directions. Okay, back when, when a lot of these dances were even introduced to the studios, okay, they were in cyphers, they were in the streets. They never had to face the mirrors. Okay, you don't see it now, or maybe you do. Okay, there are mirrors, and a lot of freestyle dancers that learn in the studio, they get stuck in one direction, okay, and they end up just always performing one way. Okay, the idea of the clock is, it's pretty much say, you're my 12 o'clock, this is my 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, and you want to try doing your dance moves, whatever you're practicing, any of these concepts, okay, in different directions. Say you know some basic breaking, okay, and you're doing to your 12 o'clock, which is you guys. Okay, and then you can switch it up going into your 3 o'clock, okay? Because when you're in a freestyle circle or you're in a cypher, okay, now in my 6 o'clock, okay, I'm trying not to drop the mic, okay? And then back to my 9 o'clock. When you're in a cypher, it's not just one way, okay? You're not facing an audience, you're not on stage. There's a group of people watching you, okay? And the whole idea of this is to break through that habit, that really bad habit of going, this is the front, and you're forgetting everyone else back here. Okay, you want to acknowledge, okay? And this gives you a lot of dynamics and a lot of depth in terms of how you move. Yeah, that's it. Very easy concept. So next time you're practicing, how you could apply this is just next time whatever you're practicing your waves, okay? And you find yourself, practicing that one direction, whether you're in your room or not driving, don't do that. Whether in your room or your living room, the bathroom, whatever, and you're practicing towards the sink, okay, try practicing it, in front of the toilet, the other way, okay, or just try to change it up, because that slight, change of orientation, okay, also helps you get used to moving around, because there's something I call orientation distortion, okay, because when people change different direction, it feels like they're doing the move, like it feels like a new feeling of like you're doing it all from how do I explain it? Like you're doing the move for the first time. Okay, and that's why you always want to change direction, because if you're stuck one way, okay, chances are when you actually do it to perform, you're going to be doing that all the time. Cool? So give it a shot.